EagleRidge Roofing, Mapleton's trusted roofing experts. EagleRidge Roofing stands as the premier roofing contractor in Mapleton, Utah, offering top-tier services for both residential and commercial properties in the 84664 area. With decades of combined experience, our certified professionals are experts in the installation, repair, and maintenance of various roofing materials. We are committed to quality craftsmanship, using only premium materials and adhering to industry-leading standards. Customers consistently rave about EagleRidge's meticulous attention to detail and superior service, reflected in our numerous 5-star reviews. Our extensive warranty options and preventative maintenance plans ensure your roof's longevity and your peace of mind. Discover why EagleRidge is Mapleton's trusted choice for all your roofing needs. EagleRidge offers residential and commercial roofing services, including new roof installation, roof repair, replacement, inspections, storm damage repairs, gutter installation, ice and water shield installation, soffits and fascia work, shake shingle sealing, and more. We also provide specialized services like swamp cooler installations and removal, siding installation and repair, as well as comprehensive ventilation solutions for both homes and businesses. For more information or to schedule a consultation, call us at 801-784-1457. Visit our website at www.eagleridgepros.com. We are Utah's premier roofing and construction experts, proudly servicing the Wasatch Front. At EagleRidge, quality is at the core of every project. Our skilled professionals undergo regular training to ensure we are using the most advanced roofing techniques and the highest quality materials available. We believe in delivering reliable, long-lasting solutions, and our commitment to customer satisfaction is what sets us apart. Call us today at 801-784-1457 or visit our website to learn more and see how we can help with your roofing needs.